All right, guys, this is just another little update on Cooking with Dad. This is Sunday, February 6, 2022. And wanted to update and let you know that for Sunday dinner, what are we having today? We're going to have a little shake and bake chicken. So I just wanted to let you know and to show you the way that it looks when perfectly prepared. Getting ready to stick it in the oven for 45 minutes. And then I will report back on how delicious it is or if it needs to be improved. Okay, so I just pulled the chicken out of the oven, and I don't know if you can hear that, but that is sizzling and it looks awesome. Okay, so we all know that the true test of chicken is not how it looks or smells as it comes out of the oven, but it's how it actually tastes. So here we go. There is the chicken. And I will tell you, I think this is going to turn out to be hopefully a good experience. So again, you guys have the directions from the previous video that is posted on my YouTube channel. And I hope that if you forget how to make shake and bake chicken, you will refer to it. There are all these, I don't know if you can see that smoke coming off of that chicken, but it's going to be hot. I don't know if you remember the references to like Ricky Bobby and Talladega Nights and things like that, but all of that goes into play with shake and bake chicken. So here it is. It's a little bit hot right now, but I'm going to give it a try and then I'll tell you how it is. Wow. Let me just tell you, that is some really good chicken. So if you want some good chicken this weekend, guys, shake and bake, great way to go. Sure do love you. I hope you guys are studying hard, working hard. Know that you're loved. And this is your dad saying I will check in with you later on. Love you.